Hey guys, welcome everybody to day 41 of the trading marathon here on this channel. My name is Daniel, and in today's video we're going to have a practice lesson over the Elliottwave and the smart money concepts directly in the charts. So we are going to analyze, for example, the Solana chart, and then on the Elliottwave analysis we are gonna point out where the smart money concepts could happen or could potentially offer us a trade entry in the future. So let's start here at the Solana chart, for example, and I think it's pretty clearly visible that Solana has made on the weekly. It's very important to say we start on a very high time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Okay, so we want to get an overview about what our bigger movement on the chart looks like. Okay, and I think every one of us after the previous videos can identify the 5-wave movement that we got towards the upside, so an impulsive wave towards the upside. Okay, so the overall trend is towards the upside on this chart, and then we're looking out for a 3-wave move towards the downside to correct this upwards move. Okay, I highlighted here for you in also yellow to see to show that it's the same wave degree. So now the only thing is left to do is actually to check out if the C wave is already over, because we are expecting a 5-wave move towards the upside at the end of the C wave, right? So something like that. Well, first of all, let's check out if the C wave has already reached its targets towards the downsides. And as you can see, not quite yet. So the minimum target would be the 100% extension, so the 52.8 US dollar level. And I mean, if we check out, that is very, very, confluent with the smart money concepts, because you can see we have many lows on the chart right over there. So the liquidity sweep would suggest that liquidity is on the chart right over there. So we could grab it towards the downside, reach the 100% extension, which is the minimum target for the C wave, grab this liquidity, sweep it, get a break towards the upside to form a break of structure, which is a 1, then make a 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops, and so on. Make a 5-wave move to finish this wave 1, and then we get a correction towards the downside. So basically, that's the combined knowledge already that we pointed out. We made the 5-wave move towards the upside as a, overall trend decision making. So we are bullish, then we're looking for a 3-wave move towards the upside for a 3-wave correction. We identified the A, B and C wave. We didn't reach the target yet. The target is right over there. We get confluence with the liquidity, which is over there. So right now we would be still bearish for Solana to reach a final low where we can revert towards the upside. So from this point we go in on the smaller time frames, let's say the daily time frame, and we can identify that we only moved up in a corrective manner, like an ABC or a WXY, however you wanna call it. So basically that would be even pretty aligned with the fact that we get one more low because we only moved up in a corrective manner, and it would basically give you a trade entry here, in this case for a short with a stop loss above the high and a take profit at least at the previous lows, but actually somewhere here, like straight above the target, which has a risk reward of 3.2, which is a pretty solid trade you can take, guys. Okay, so that's already in it then, and we're going in the smaller time frames. We're basically making the wave count for the smaller time frames. I mean, here we have two options. I don't want to go too much in detail, but I mean, because I don't want to be wrong here in the textbook example, but there are two options. Either these are many smaller 1-2 setups and we're getting a larger wave 3 here towards the downside and many smaller 4-5s, or for example, this is an W undershooting X and a Y, and then we are going down. In both cases we are going down, and we are not supposed to go above the C wave high anymore. And we are actually supposed to make one lower low and then reverse towards the upside for good. So that's basically what the analysis of ours would be, and that's what we are trading on, and not more less, and not more and not less. And yeah, guys, I mean, tomorrow I'm gonna give you a clear instruction on how to move on and how to combine all the knowledge, and also what to watch out for and what will happen to you in the future trading journey. So what you should have an eye on. But I think that was already chart-wise it, and I think Also after, not I think, it's very clearly, after the after the trading marathon is done, I will release and publish here on this channel every single day. No, not every single day, not Saturdays. Saturday will be my resting day, but 6 out of 7 days, so Sunday till Friday, I will publish here on this channel one daily chart analysis video about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can also, you know, watch these daily videos from there on to improve your chart analysis, and also watch my trades and you know, like compare with the trades you are doing. Also I want to show you here the 41st half marathon, which I already did, and we see each other in tomorrow's video, guys, in the final video. I hope you are tuned. See each other there. Bye bye.